The BMW R1200R is a standard or naked motorcycle introduced in 2006 by BMW Motorrad. It replaced the BMW R1150R. In 2015, BMW launched a completely new design of the R1200R. In 2019, the R1200R was succeeded by the R1250R. The R1250R features a newer dual-cam profile engine and has a TFT display. For 2023 year model, BMW Motorrad launched the new updated R1250R Roadster. While many things remain the same, including the 1,254 cubic centimeters two-cylinder, air-liquid-cooled boxer engine with ShiftCam technology, which delivering acclaimed 136 horsepower and 105 pound-feet of torque. BMW has made several upgrades to the 2023 model, and all for the same base price of $14,995 as the 2022 model. Several features that were previously options are now standard, including dynamic traction control, ABS Pro, and dynamic brake control. And the new Eco mode is joining the previous road and rain ride modes. Other new features of the 2023 include LED turn indicators, a solo seat rear cover, and new option 719 spoke wheels. 2023 model still features a slip assist clutch, hill start control, a 45mm conventional inverted fork, and BMW Motorrad Paralever rear spring shock with preload and rebound adjustment and travel-dependent damping. The optional premium package includes keyless ride, a design option rear muffler, a chrome-plated exhaust manifold, heated grips, tire pressure monitor, and cruise control. The 2023 model still features the full LED headlamp, but now offers an optional adaptive turning light, which provides better illumination into turns, thereby ensuring safer riding at night. The adaptive turning light works by switching on additional LED elements in the main headlight that are fitted with their own reflectors, depending on the lean angle. One Roadster, three faces. Whatever your style, this bike offers you three authentic Roadster looks, from purist to sporty to classic elegance. In standard trim, the R1250R is finished in ice gray non-metallic in conjunction with a black frame. The Style Sport variant features a body color in racing blue metallic, white frame and solo seat rear cover. The triple black variant has a black storm metallic body color, agate gray frame and solo seat rear cover. Like and subscribe if you like this video.